This is Matt with Modern School Bus. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to sort in Excel. In this tutorial, we are looking at how to sort in Excel. First, we're going to look at how to sort alphabetically, and then how to sort by values, how to sort by multiple columns, how to sort by color, how to sort by date, and how to sort by rows. So by the end of this tutorial, you will have a very strong understanding of how to sort data in Excel. So first, we're going to look at how to sort alphabetically. And so here I have this example data where I have products and I have a revenue. And so what I want to do is sort by column A so that the products are alphabetized. And so to do that, what you need to do is make sure you are in the data tab, and here you will find the sort options. So what you want to do is select the data that you want to sort. So you can either highlight the range or you can highlight the entire columns by coming up to the top here and selecting these. So there are some quick sort options. So if you want to quickly sort your data from A to Z by column A, you can select this option and you can see that this is now sorted. So it's product A, product B, product C. You can also do Z to A here. So if I select this, now this is backwards. So now it's sorted from Z to A. But if you want more advanced sorting options, you have to click the sort tool here. So I'm going to highlight my data and we're going to select sort. If you have a header row that you do not want sorted, you need to check this box. My data has headers. If you uncheck this, what's going to happen is your header is going to end up sorted according to the rules that you specify here. So I'm going to leave that checked. And what I want to do is sort by my column A, so product, and we're going to go back to sorting from A to Z. Now you can also sort by values. And so that in my example is going to be column B. So I'm going to highlight my data, sort. Maybe I want to look at what product brought in the most revenue. So I'm going to do revenue and we're going to do largest to smallest. And so I have this sorted now so that the data that is highest is at the top. Now you can also sort by multiple columns. So you can apply multiple sorting rules to your data. So to do this, we're going to look at this example. So it's the same. I have different products and I have revenue, but this time maybe I have two different branches that these products sold at. And so maybe what I want to do is I want to sort this by branch and then by revenue. So I want to know what products from each branch brought in the most revenue. So what I'm going to do is highlight my data, sort, and first we're going to sort by branch from A to Z, and then we're going to sort by revenue from largest to smallest. This way I can see from this branch, this product brought in the most revenue, and then from this branch, this product brought in the most revenue. So that is sorting by multiple columns. And now what we can also do is sort by colors. So maybe I have this data again, and for whatever reason, I want to apply conditional formatting to it. So I'm not going to spend too much time on this. I'm going to just kind of go through this quickly. So conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, text that contains West. So we'll highlight everything from West. Now that I have a color in here, I can actually sort by this color. So I'm going to highlight my data, sort, and we're going to sort by branch. So instead of sorting by cell values, now we are sorting by cell color. And what I want to do is pull the ones that have this red conditional formatting to the top. You also have some other options, so you can sort by font color too if your data has a font color in it that you want to sort by. So that is sorting by color. Now you can also sort by date, and it works the same way. So here I have this data where I have revenue for these different dates, and what I'm going to do is highlight my data and we're going to sort by date. So you have, when you're sorting by date, you can do newest to oldest. So the most recent date at the top, or you can do older dates to newer dates. And so now it's sorted by newer dates to older dates. So that is sorting by date. Anytime you have a date value that you are sorting by, you will see that this order here is changed from oldest to newest or newest to oldest. Now you can also sort by rows in Excel. This is a little less common than sorting column data. So what you want to do again is highlight the data that you want to sort, and we're going to select sort. And then what you're going to do is select this options button here. And what we're going to do, instead of sorting top to bottom, is we're going to sort from left to right. And then we select the row that we want to sort by. So I'm going to sort by row 1, and we're going to sort this A to Z. So now you can see this row data is now alphabetical. So this is a little less common. More often we're sorting columns from top to bottom than rows from left to right, but that is an option in there if you have row data that you need to sort. But that is it for this video. That is how you sort in Excel. So now you should have a good foundation of how to sort data in your spreadsheet. As always, if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. If you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions or content suggestions, just let me know in the comments, and I'll try my best to answer everyone.